Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe in your home. So, be in your home and be safe, okay? Okay. So, in our previous English class, we have started a new lesson, is it? Do you remember that lesson? The second lesson in your new pathway book, is it? So, do you remember the title of that lesson? Can you say the topic of that lesson? Yeah, my early days with the chimpanzees. So it was written by Jane Goodall. Is it? The lesson my early days with the chimpanzees was written by Jane Goodall, who loves chimpanzees very much, okay? Because she had an love towards the chimpanzees, she had an eagerness to study about this chimpanzees, okay? So that she came to this Gombe National Park and she stayed there and she started to observe about this chimpanzees, okay? Started observing this chimpanzees. And before this starting of your lesson, it was written there, Jane Goodall spent more than 55 years observing wild chimpanzees in Gombe Stream National Park in Tanzania. Okay, so she stayed there for more than 55 years. Okay, so she had that much love towards this chimpanzees. Okay, so she stayed there for more than 55 years only for studying about this chimpanzees. Okay, so the first half of the lesson we have seen in your previous class, is it? Do you remember that? Okay, just I am not going to explain it clearly because in your last class I have explained everything by reading each and every paragraph. This class we are going to see what we have learned in that last class. Okay, we are going to revise that. Okay, and we can move to the next section of this lesson. We have to complete some more visit, so we can learn that also, okay, in today's class. Okay, so in the year 1960 she came to Gombe National Park. Okay, in July 16, 1960 she came to Gombe National Park, and that was the first day. July 16 was the first day she came there. Okay, and during that time she was only 26 years old, and she and her mother came to that national park. Okay, and while they came there, they were welcomed by two African game scouts there, and they started to live there. Jane Goodall and her mother started to live there. Okay, so every day morning she had an habit of setting the alarm, and she gets up at 5:30 and she eats her breakfast and she sets off to learn about this chimpanzees. Okay, she sets off to observe this chimpanzee. Okay, so during that time she learned more thing about this chimpanzee, and some of them are given for us. Okay, so we have learned some among that, is it? So I am going to say what are the things now. Okay, just listen so you can recall whatever you had heard in your previous class. Okay, so the first thing is the chimpanzees, they will be roaming in small number, not in a big number. Okay, so they will be they will be roaming in small groups, not in a big groups. Small group in the sense only 6 chimpanzees or less than 6 chimpanzees. Okay, so this is the first thing. And the next one is that whenever they see a delicious, very tasteful ripe fruit in any big tree, what they will do? Every chimpanzees will be gathering there. Okay, the whole chimpanzees in that place will be gathering there, and so that they will be very happy when every chimpanzees gather in one place. The chimpanzees will be very happy, and because to express their happiness they will make much more noise there. Okay, so because of that we can find the chimpanzees very easily during that time. Okay, and this is the next thing. And the next thing we have seen the in the next paragraph, third paragraph, we have seen the Food habits of the chimpanzees. Do you remember the food habits of the chimpanzees? Can you say what and all things they will eat? The chimpanzees will be eating fruits mostly, and then leaves, flowers, seeds, stems, and varieties of insects, and also sometimes they will hunt and kill the animals and eat them for their meat. Okay, so they will not eat every leaves, every flowers and seeds, everything. They will eat only some kinds of. Okay, what we also have some favorite food, is it? The foods we don't like also will be there, is it? So in the same way, only some kinds of leaves, flowers, seeds and stems will be eaten by this chimpanzees. Okay, now can you say what are the things will be eaten by them? Yeah, fruits, leaves, flowers, seeds, stems, varieties of insects, and sometimes they will hunt and kill the animals for their meat. Okay, so these are the things we have seen in the third paragraph about this, about the food habits of this chimpanzee. Okay, and she was staying there for many days. She learned that this forest is shared not only by these chimpanzees but also by some other animals. Okay, so not only the chimpanzees live in that forest, but some other animals also live in that forest. Okay, in the fourth paragraph we can see what are the animals there. Okay, so there are 4 kinds of monkeys, and among that 4 kind, one kind is baboons. Okay, there are 4 kinds of monkeys: squirrels, mongoose, porcupines, civets, rats, mice, and some dangerous animals like buffalo, leopards, and poisonous snakes. There are 7 different kinds of poisonous snakes. Okay, so can you say what are the animals, other creatures, other animals living in that forest? Yeah, 4 kinds of monkeys: squirrels, mongoose, porcupines, civets, rats, mice, buffalo, leopards, and poisonous snakes. Okay, the poisonous snakes are of 7 different kinds. Okay, this is given in the 4th paragraph. And the next paragraph we have seen that on early morning when she went to the peak, she found a buffalo there. Okay, and the buffalo was in front of her, and everyone will be fearing about this buffalo. Okay, so she also was afraid on seeing this buffalo. So luckily what happened means the wind was blowing from that buffalo to this Jane Goodall. Okay, so that the buffalo could not smell her, and because of that she escaped from that place very slowly. Okay, till this much we have seen in our previous class. Okay, so do you remember everything? When I told the gist of every paragraph, do you remember something that you heard in your previous class? Okay, good. So today we are going to see the remaining lesson. Okay, so we have more 5 paragraphs in this lesson, and today we are going to see that. Okay, so now you can take your new pathway book and take page number 28 in that. Okay, I will read the lesson. So I will read each paragraph and I will explain that. While I am reading, just listen to your book. Okay, listen carefully so that you can understand it very clearly. Okay, so don't play or don't skip anything. Okay, so just listen clearly and listen carefully. Okay, so now you take your book and take page number 28 in that. Okay, so shall we start? Okay, so listen. Another time, as I was sitting on the peak, I heard a strange moving sound. I looked around, and there, about 15 yards away, a leopard was approaching. I could just see the black and white tip of its tail above the tall grass. It was walking along the little trail that led directly to where I sat. Leopards are not usually dangerous unless they have been wounded. Very silently, I moved away and looked for chimps in another valley. Later, I went back to the peak. So, first we have seen that this Jane Goodall, she encountered a buffalo. Is it? In early morning one day, she encountered a buffalo, and this was the second encounter with a leopard. Okay, and as she was sitting in the peak, already we have in the beginning of the lesson itself we have learned that she will go to the peak to observe about the chimpanzees. Okay, from the peak she will be observing the chimpanzees. Is it? So the same day she was sitting in the peak, and during that time she heard some strange sound, okay, a moving sound, and she was sitting there and looking around because she doesn't know what is that. By hearing the sound she was frightened and she was looking here and there to know what is there. Suddenly she saw a leopard which was 15 yards away from her. Okay, a leopard was coming towards her and it was 15 yards away from her, and she couldn't see the full leopard, but she could see only the black and white tips of its tail. Okay, because it was in middle of a tall grass. Okay, it was coming through the tall grass and it was covered with the grass. Only the tip of its tail was above the grass. Okay, the black and white tip of its tail was above the tall grass, and so she could see only the tail. Okay, and this leopard was coming towards her. Okay, it was walking towards her and she was somewhat frightened, but she know that the leopards, it won't be very dangerous until if we hurt others. Okay, if it is wounded means only it will be dangerous, or else it won't be very dangerous. Okay, so still then she was afraid. So what she did, very silently she moved from that place. Okay, so have you understood this paragraph? One day when she was sitting in the peak, she found an leopard which was approaching towards her, and she could see only the tip of the tail, and because she was very afraid, what she did, very silently she moved from that place. Okay, and next paragraph, listen. The peak began to feel like home. I carried a little tin trunk up there. In it, I kept a kettle, some sugar and coffee, and a tin mug. Then, when I got tired from a long trek to another valley, I could make a drink in the middle of the day. I kept a blanket up there too. When the chimps slept near the peak, I slept there, so that I could be close by in the morning. I loved to be up there at night, especially when there was a moon. If I heard the coughing grunt of a leopard, I just prayed and pulled the blanket over my head. So, in this paragraph, she was saying about the peak. Okay, so she thinks that the peak is like her home. Okay, she is feeling that the peak is like her home. Okay, so what she will do, while she is going to that place, she will take a little tin trunk with her. Okay, so she will take a little tin trunk with her. Inside that trunk she will keep a kettle with her. She will take some sugar, coffee, and also a tin mug with her. Okay, so inside that trunk a kettle will be there, some sugar will be there, coffee will be there, and a tin mug will be there. Okay, so whenever she is going for a long trek, whenever she is moving from one place to another, if she becomes tired means she will sit in that place and she will drink a coffee in the middle. Okay, so while drinking the coffee she will feel that her tired will be gone. Okay, so that she will carry a tin trunk with her, okay, and inside that trunk she will keep a blanket also, okay. So why she is keeping that blanket means she want to for sleeping, okay. And when the chimpanzees were sleeping in the peak, what she will do, she will be also sleeping near that chimpanzees, okay. And she loves to sleep in the peak while there is moon in the sky, okay. So during that time she loves to sleep there, and while the chimpanzees are sleeping in the peak, she also along with the chimpanzees will sleep near in that peak, okay. And if during the night time, if she is hearing some strange sound, that is grunting sound of that leopard, means what she will do, she will be just praying and she will pull the blanket and cover her head and she will sleep there, okay. So what are the things were there in that tin trunk? Yeah, the tin trunk contained a kettle, sugar, coffee, a tin mug and a blanket, is it? So have you understood this? The Jane Goodall, she feels that this peak is like a home, okay. And during while she is going there, she will carry a tin trunk. Inside that a kettle will be there, some sugar will be there, coffee will be there, and a tin mug will be there, and also a blanket will be there. While she is moving from one place to another, if she is getting tired, means she will drink some coffee there and she will sleep in that in that peak if the chimpanzees are sleeping there, so that in the next morning she could see the chimpanzees very near to her, okay. So have you understood this? Next paragraph, see here. Chimps sleep all night just as we do. From the peak, I often watched how they made their nests or beds. First, the chimps bent a branch down over some solid foundation, such as a fork or two parallel branches. Holding it in place with his feet, he then bent another over it. Then he folded the end of the first branch back over the second, and so on. He often ended up picking lots of small, soft, leafy twigs to make a pillow. So in this paragraph, it is given how these chimpanzees will make their bed, okay. So these chimpanzees, they love to sleep all night as we do. We also sleep all night, is it? The same way, these chimpanzees also sleep all night. And how they will do their beds or nest means, they will bend a branch down and the branch will be like a fork or a two parallel branches, okay. And they will bend it down and they will hold it with their feet, and then they will fold the end of the first branch over the second, okay. So they will hold two branches, that is the parallel branches, and they will hold it with its feet, and then they will fold the end of the first branch to the second branch, okay. So that it will be like a nest for them, okay. It will be like a bed for them, and they will be picking some soft small leaf sticks to make their pillow, okay. So they will be making their bed in the branches with the help of the leaves, twigs, everything, and they will sleep there, okay. So have you understood this? So the chimpanzees also love to sleep in the night like humans, and they will make the bed with the help of the branches, and they will pick some soft small leafy twigs to make a pillow, and in that they will sleep, okay. Have you understood this paragraph? And the next one, chimps like their comfort. I have learned over the years that infants sleep in their nests with their mothers until they are about 5 years old, or until the next baby is born, and the older child has to make its own bed. I never returned to camp before sunset, but even when I slept on the peak, I first went down to have supper with Mom and tell her what I had seen that day. and she would tell me what she had been doing. Mum set up a clinic. She handed out medicine to any of the locals, mostly fishermen who were sick. Once she cured an old man who was very ill indeed. Word about this cure spread far and wide, and sometimes patients would walk for miles to get treatment. So, in the last paragraph, we have seen that how the chimpanzees will make their bed and how they will make it a soft one. Okay, so these chimpanzees, they love to sleep very comfortably. Okay, we human also, we will love to sleep very comfortably, is it? The same way this chimpanzees also love to sleep very comfortably. Okay, and she was staying here for many years. She learned that the small babies, the infants means the babies of this chimpanzees, okay, they will sleep with the mothers in their nest. Okay, so this baby chimpanzees will be sleeping with their mother until they are 5 years old. Okay, till they are fifth age, they can sleep with their mother. Okay, after that they want to make a separate bed for them. Okay, and or else till the next baby is born. Okay, so a brother or sister for that chimpanzee, for that baby chimpanzee, uh, until a brother or sister is born, she or he can sleep with the mother. Okay, after that they want to make a separate bed for them. Okay, so till they're 5 years old or until the next baby is born, the baby child will be next to the mother in their bed. Okay, after that they will make a separate bed for them. Okay, so and she says, she as she loves this chimpanzees very much, she's very eager to know about this. So she don't know how the time passes. Okay, so until the sunset she will be learning about this chimpanzees. Okay, until the sun sets she will be learning about this chimpanzees. And she says that not even a single day she returned to the camp before the sunset. Okay, only after the sunset she will go to her camp. Until then she will be staying in the forest here and there by learning about this chimpanzees. Okay, so every day if she is sleeping in the peak means also, before that she will come down to her camp and she will see her mother, she will have supper with her mother, and she will say every incident that has happened that day. Okay, and her mother also, she will also share the incidents that happened to her that particular day from the morning till evening. Okay, so as the mother was very lone there, every day morning she will be sitting off to learn about the chimpanzees, is it? So the mother only will be alone there. Am I right? So what she did means she set up a clinic. She started a clinic there. Okay, and she will provide medicines to many locals, especially the fishermen. Okay, and the fishermen who were sick, if they are coming to the clinic, they will get medicines from this Jane Goodall's mother. Okay, and one day, once she cured a old man who was very seriously ill. Okay, he was very seriously ill, and this Jane Goodall's mother, she cured that old man. Okay, so this curing, it spread far and wide, and so that the patients from long places also would walk to this camp and they will get treatment. Okay, so have you understood this paragraph? So in this paragraph it is given about the baby chimps, is it? So the baby chimps, they will be sleeping with their mother for 5 years. Okay, after they born, for 5 years they will be sleeping with their mother, or until a next baby is born for the mother, they will be sleeping with their mother. Okay, after that they want to prepare they want to make their own bed for sleeping. Okay, And the next thing is, as she was eager in learning about the chimpanzees, every day she will return to the camp only after the sunset. Okay, and even if she is sleeping in the peak means also, she will come to the camp and she will have supper with her mother, and she will say every incident that had happened that day, and the mother also will share every incident, and after that she will go back to that place. Okay, and as the mother is alone there, she set up a clinic and she started to cure the sick people. Okay, so have you understood this one? And the last paragraph, her clinic was very good for me. It meant that the local people realized we wanted to help. Mum had to go back to England after 4 months to manage things at home. Of course, I missed her after she had gone, but I didn't have time to be lonely. There were so much to do. So, in the last paragraph, we have seen that her mother started a clinic, okay, and Jane Goodall was also saying that this clinic is very good so that they can help other people. Okay, the people also know that these two people want to help them. Okay, so they can help many local people with the help of this clinic. Okay, so what happened means, after 4 months, her mother, she wanted to go back to England. Okay, their native place is England, is it? The first day itself I told that Jane Goodall is from England, is it? So as her mother wanted to go back to England to their home to manage everything, because they left their home and they came here and they were staying for many days, is it? So that they want to go back. So what her mother, she went to England, and so that Jane Goodall, she was alone here. Okay, and she missed her mother, but she didn't found that she was very lonely. Okay, because every time before itself, when her mother is there itself, we have seen that she was studying about she was observing the chimpanzees, is it? And after the sunset only she will return to the camp. Sometimes she will be sleeping in the peak also, we have seen that, is it? So because of that, she didn't found that she is alone there. She was engaged with many things. Okay, there was much more things for her to do, so she didn't found that she was alone there. Okay, so have you understood this? This is the last paragraph. Okay, so in this lesson we have seen that the first thing, she encountered a leopard and how she escaped from there. Okay, very silently, before the leopard saw her, she escaped from there, and then she sleeps in the peak in order to see the chimpanzees very close to her in the morning. Okay, so while she is going to the peak, she will carry a little trunk with her. Inside that, a kettle, sugar, coffee, tin mug, and a blanket will be there, which the blanket will be helpful for her if she was sleeping in the peak during the night time. Okay, and the bed of the chimpanzees, with the help of the branches, the chimpanzees make their own bed and they love to sleep in comfort. And the baby chimpanzees, they will be sleeping with their mother until they are 5 years old, or else until the next baby is born. Okay, after that they want to prepare their own food, and every day evening she will come down to the camp and she will have supper with her mother, and she will tell everything whatever happened in the from the morning till the evening. Her mother also will share everything whatever happened to her in the morning till the evening. So as the mother is alone there, she started a clinic there and she cured many people there. And Jane Goodall says that this clinic was very good so that they can help many people. And after 4 months, her mother, she went back to the hometown, that is in England, and she missed her mother very much. But still then she had many things to do. She had to learn many more things, much more things about this chimpanzees. She didn't thought that she was lonely. Okay, she didn't have time to be lonely. Okay, she was engaged in many more things. Okay, so have you understood this lesson? We have completed the second lesson. Okay, have you understood this? And another one thing, and the first day itself I have told you to write one page, each day one page in your cursive writing. Okay, so I don't know how many of you have started writing. So from today onwards, start writing. Okay, so each day one page, and every day you want to show it to me, and whenever you are coming for correction, bring that book to me. Okay, okay students, thank you.